Warm greetings from Holland. This is Romelo or Uncle Mulong. Tonight I'll be cooking one of our favorite dishes in my native Pangasinan in the Philippines. And it is Mongo Guisado con ampalaya. Come on, join me in the kitchen. As in almost all recipes, stir fries, we need cooking oil for stir frying, garlic, ginger and onions. For this recipe you also need pork tiempo, that's the hog as we say in Tagalog, ampalaya leaves, but since it's winter we don't have fresh ampalaya leaves, we're using frozen, harvested from last summer. And don't forget the tomato, 3 to 4 pieces of tomatoes. And for seasoning we use fish sauce or patis. The complete list and the amount of these ingredients will be projected. For the sake of time, I won't be showing how I prep or prepare the ingredients. As shown here below, they are now or they have been prepared beforehand. Let's start stir frying. Notice that as I've been preparing the ingredients, the mongo here has been boiling. I just dropped the 1 chupa or 1 cup mongo beans into boiling water. Sufficient at volume so as not to burn it. Boil the or parboil the pork belly in water to soften it a bit and to stir it from time to time to evenly cook it. Wait until it caramelizes a bit. Once it turns golden brown and you see adequate amount of oil to stir fry, that will be the perfect time to add the vegetables or the stir fries, as you say, the onions, the garlic and the ginger. Let's add the ginger, stir it, and add the garlic, stir again. Don't forget to turn your exhaust fan on. Notice that the mungo beans has cooked, so I turned off the flame already. Let's add the onions and stir fry it again. Very standard in most recipes, onions and garlic. In this recipe I am also showing how to use canned tomato, which I harvested from my garden last summer. I canned this myself because they are available, but I'd like to use my homegrown, home canned tomatoes from last summer. We need 3 to 4 pieces, but this is canned, so I'll just use half of this. And once done, or once ready, I should say, add the boiled Mongo beans with its water. Stir it a bit, and if desired, you can cook it from here all the way, but you can also put it back into the casserole for more convenience, as I've done here. I'm adding let's add the patis. 1, 2, 3, 4 tablespoons. Stir it and have it boil. Cover it, and once it boils, add the ampalaya leaves, the frozen ampalaya leaves. You don't have to thaw it, just put it frozen. Let the boiling water thaw and eventually cook the ampalaya leaves, like this. Cover it and wait for around 10 minutes. And we're done. Look at that. Mongo Guisado con ampalaya in winter time. That was Mongo Guisado con ampalaya. Flavor from Pangasinan, from the Philippines. We will be exploring more flavors of the world and recreate them at home using homegrown vegetables. So if you want to know more, don't forget to subscribe by hitting the subscribe button below and the bell icon if you want to get notified once a new release will be available. I'll try to post at least one recipe per week. I have a full-time job. Until next time.